Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Pratik and let's do the coding. Today we have the problem 1290. So what we are given is a head of a linked list, and what you are supposed to do, return the decimal value of the number in the linked list, right? So what is the linked list we are given? 101. But visually when we are solving the binary values, we know this value is 5. But how do we say it to the computer, right? So this is a very easy problem, and main two things that you need to understand is this. So the addition of binary digits is done by a OR gate, right? An OR gate, you are using it for addition of binary strings, binary values, right? Bits. And another thing is this rule, which is n into 2 is same as n left shift by 1. Suppose you have an number 3 which is represented in binary form as 1 1, right? When you left shift it by 1, so it is represented, it will add a 0 to the right side of it, right? Like this. So it becomes 110, which is value 4 plus 2 is 6. So 4 plus 2 6. 6 is same as 2 into 3, right? You are understanding? N into 2, 3 into 2. Let's take another example. We have 4. 4 is represented by 100. And when we do left shift by 1, it becomes 8, right? So very understandable. It's coming to the form of 4 into 2, which is 8. Okay. So that is how I have, so I'm solving these problems, and I'm got used to the addition of this OR gate and using the left shift. So what I'm going to do is take a parameter result. Okay, let's put it as 0 and let's iterate through the linked list, right? So while head, let us put this result value as the left shift value of by 1 of that result along with the addition of the value of it, right? So right now we have 101, and now what happens? First step is again result left shift by 1 is again 0. 0 OR gate with 1 gives 1. This is our first step, right? Understandable? Let us iterate. How do we iterate? You know, right? Head is equal to head dot next. Very easy and understandable. Now what you are doing is, in the second step you have the result as 1, because 0 OR gate with 1 will give us 1. You know, it is very understandable. Next you have the second step, 1 left shift by 1, that you are doing, result left shift by 1. So what is happening? 1 left shift by 1 will give you 1 0, which is 2, right? And 2 you are doing OR gate or the addition with the value of second thing. What is it? 0. So 2 OR gate 0 will give you again 0 plus 2, right? So 2 is the thing stored in the result. Third step, what is happening? Let's go to 1. Third one. And the third thing you're happening is result left shift by 1. And what is it doing? 2 is represented by 10, left shift eating by 1, you will get 100, which is nothing but 4. 4 is the value stored in the result right now. And in the last, what is happening? You are just using that head dot value, which is 1, and you are doing the addition or the OR gate with the 4. So 4 is represented by 100, 100, and 1 is represented by 001. And if you are doing OR gate, it is 1, 0, and 1, right? You know how it works, the gates works, and it will give you the value of 5, right? So let us just return the result. It is doing very easily, it is returning this value. Let us check it. Yes, it works well. Now I'll take you to another solution of it, and that is using a function that you might be using somewhere else. That is using the string values that I'm going to show you. Just let's take a empty array called bits, and then we'll iterate through it and add it to this list, right? So let's add it, bits dot append this string value, right? we have to add the string value of the current value, right? And again iterate the linked list head dot value next, right? So what you're doing is just iterating, and now bits has, what does bits have right now? It has 1, it has 0, it has 1. So this is the thing it is having right now. And what do you do with this thing? It's simple and clear, that you have to just use integer of, this is a well-known function, like you have to come across coding, right? Like string dot join array in whatever like converter you are having. So this is basically the base converter, right? It is base converter. If you put the value of 3, it will put it will take the value of and like it will do the power of 2, right? So now, right now we are using 2, so it will take a power of 2 along with the thing. So suppose we have 1 0 1, right? So it is taking as from the right side, obviously it will take 1 into 2 power 0, right? Again plus, you know how it works, right? Again 0 into 2 power, what is it, 2 power 1, and then next we have this 1 into 2 power 1, which is nothing but 2. So what is the final answer you are getting? Which is 5, right? Easy and understandable. Let us run it and let's see if it is working. I hope it works. Yes, it works fine, and thank you guys.